this is the optical illusion, and there's two of them on the back side. This one you're going to get an answer sheet for, but I don't want you to give the answer sheet out until they've looked at both sides. So the first thing you do is give them and tell them to look at the side with the boxes and the arrows. And once again, just say an optical illusion is something that tricks your eyes. You think you see something, it's not what you think. Ask them how many arrows do they see. Okay, give them a few minutes. When they have an answer, you'll check on that in a second. Okay, now you can say to them, okay, raise your hand if you see 2 arrows. Raise your hand if you see 3. Raise your hand if you see more than 3. And then you tell them the answer is 7. Most of the kids will never see all 7. Give them a few minutes to try and find it. If they don't find all 7, don't worry about that yet. You can explain to them, actually don't even worry about telling them where it is yet. You're going to give them the answer sheet. Okay? But before you give them the answer sheet, then you tell them to turn it over. Once again, say an optical illusion is something that tricks your eyes. You're going to think you see something, it's not what you think. Tell the kids to describe what this is a picture of. Ask them, what do you think this is a picture of? Okay, now they're doing this in their head. Remind them in their head you're thinking of this. Then you can say something like, raise your hand if you saw a bunch of people. Some of the kids will raise their hands. Then say, raise your hand if you saw a bunch of pillars or blocks. And some of the kids will raise their hand. Then you explain to the kids it's both. People are the black parts in there, and the pillars or the blocks are the gold part. So then you explain to the kids, this is what it is, either people or pillars. Now they might not have seen that either. Now you can give out the answer sheet, and now they can understand the arrows. And the answer, whoops, let me pick that up. The answer to the arrows is you would explain to the kids, they are the red part of this. The red part of this, I put in different colors on this, and I numbered them. So there's 4 of them that most people never see, and then the original 3 that they saw. So tell them that's where the 7 are if they can't find it. And then for the answer for this one, you just turn over the answer card, and now I've highlighted the original picture, then just the faces or the people, and then just the pillars. So then you explain to them that's the answers, and then you go over how you do this with mom and dad. You remind them, say, do you give the answer sheet or the puzzle sheet? They'll hopefully say the puzzle sheet, and just tell them, ask your mom and dad, how many arrows do you see? And then you can say, if mom or dad say 3, what do you say? Nope. 4, nope. You tell them there's how many? Mom and dad won't know, you tell them there's 7. And then if they need a clue, you can tell them to look at the red. Look at the red, and if they need another clue, you can probably just show them the answer. And then you do this one, and just say, what is this a picture of? Go over what you say with the kids, and then they can say, mom and dad might say people, mom and dad might say pillars. You explain it's both, and if they don't understand that one and they need an answer, once again, just give them the answer sheet. That's all.